Is his club lined up with the ball?
You want my D? Can I buy some?
Do you have $1?
Yeah, I actually do. Do you guys want me to buy something?
Yeah.
Will you be nice to me if I buy one?
Yeah.
Is it poisonous?
Oh.
What'd you do to it?
Nothing. We sold like a bunch of it.
Put a ton of sugar in it.
Alright, which one's the best one?
This one.
So there's 3 left.
The middle.
Ice cold Kool-Aid made.
Made. God.
Which one's good?
Right? This one's.
Can I drink both of them for $1?
No.
Who's gonna drink it? You?
Hmm?
Are you gonna drink it?
No. I need $1.
Alright, I'm drinking that one. Is that one good?
Yeah, I guess. Give us $1. Give me $1.
Look at that, huh?
Yes,
Here, take whichever one you want.
Alright, if I chug it, do I get all of them?
No. Get the best one. Chug. Which one do you think is the best?
Check out our channel.
Hopefully this one. Is this one good?
What is it?
ESL pranks.
Spilled it.
Yes. Oh no.
What? Is it good?
Alright, hold on. I'm chugging this whole thing.
Why does your bike have tape on it?
Because it's yummy.
Yeah, I got
Alright,
new
so which
bikes.
one of you made it? Was it you? Did you make it?
I made
You?
it.
Look at my bike now. My new bike.
I'm the sandals anyways.
Yeah, who's the one with the sandals? Is that you? That kid right there. He's the one that throws the orange sandals.
Do you want me to throw it at you? No, Carter. We have a customer.
Yeah, I give you guys money. Who's getting all the money here?
All of us.
Pardon, divided up by
Splitting
How much do you guys
$21.
have?
Almost $20.
Dang, who bought some? How many people?
Like
21.
drink
So I
it.
drink that one.
No, it wasn't. It
No.
wasn't all $1. It was 50
Alright, I'm
cents
gonna
at
dip it in
first.
here.
These. Since it's the last 3.
We like to raise it for you.
Oh, that survived.
ESL pranks are awesome.
Alright, that's good, guys.
That's a wrap.
We even sold them out.
That's